getting off work. Now I'm about to go pick up this Poplin order. So let's go get this Poplin order. All right, let's go. Laundry has been picked up, and I do not know why these people have this big dog just running around. Let's go see about this tire. Debt day, and I have the money to put toward the rent that I still owe. Let me check and let you know how much I still owe. Okay, guys, I owe $466.30 from still of this last month with the fees and stuff, and then with this month April rent and electric added in, now I still owe $1,806.38. I'm getting ready to go get a money order to bring that down, and it is, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm putting $600 down, and that will bring the total down to $1,206.38. So let's go get this $600 money order. All right, guys, we're on our way to get some gas first, and then we're going to get the money order. All right, guys, I got $26.94 in gas. So now we're on our way over, go over here and the Food Lion and get our money order. Let's go. Guys, I had to come to 7-Eleven to get the money order. I got the money order for $500, and the reason I only got $500 because, of course, you know, there's a limit, and then you have to pay additional for another, and they're more expensive than 7-Eleven. At Food Lion it's 89 cents. Here's $1.39, and then it was just I ain't gonna say too many people, but there was a lot of people trying to get lottery tickets, and I was just ready to get out. So I'm just going to go ahead and give them this $500 money order, and then I will give them some more another day. So now we're going to fill this out and then go drop it in Dropbox. Money order has been dropped off. So let's go finish the debt portion. All right, guys. I'm just getting home. I wasn't able to put anything toward my car to reduce that on this paycheck. This check was $411 on today's pay. And you saw that I had $600, which I only used $500 because of the $500 limit. And tomorrow I'm going to go back and get the other $100 money order at Food Line because it's less expensive. But Food Line customer service was closed. And I wasn't able to put any. Yes, I did. I put $25 down on my Amazon credit card. And that is all I did with my pay today. Well, I got my tires, which was $264.30. And the other money that to pay my rent is money that I had already had around the house. You know, this was saved. And I just took my savings and I just put that $600 toward what I owed toward my rent. Hoping and praying, you know, they won't say anything, and praying that I'll be able to go ahead and catch up. And I'm believing God I'm going to catch up. But anyway, guys, you be blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video.